The Knowledge Library present amazing, interesting and informative GK quiz on birds.
Which bird is known as the king of the skies? A. Falcon, B. Eagle, C. Hawk, or D. Vulture? The correct answer is option B. Eagle. The next question is, which bird is flightless and native to New Zealand? A. Emu, B. Kiwi, C. Ostrich, or D. Penguin? The correct answer is option B. Kiwi. The next question is, the hummingbird can fly in which unique direction? A. Sideways, B. Upside down, C. Backwards, or D. In circles? The correct answer is option C. Backwards. The next question is, which bird has a pouch to carry fish? A. Stork, B. Pelican, C. Heron, or D. Albatross? The correct answer is option B. Pelican. The next question is, the toucan is known for its A. Bright feathers, B. Large beak, C. Long tail, or D. Webbed feet? The correct answer is option B. Large beak. The next question is, which bird migrates the farthest, traveling up to 70,000 km in a year? A. Sparrow, B. Arctic tern, C. Swallow, or D. Albatross? The correct answer is option B. Arctic tern. The next question is, which bird is known for its laughing call in the Australian wilderness? A. Parrot, B. Owl, C. Kookaburra, or D. Crow? The correct answer is option C. Kookaburra. The next question is, which bird is the national symbol of the United States? A. Hawk, B. Falcon, C. Bald eagle, or D. Dove? The correct answer is option C. Bald eagle. The next question is, penguins are primarily found in which hemisphere? A. Eastern, B. Western, C. Northern, or D. Southern? The correct answer is option D. Southern. The next question is, which bird is the world's tallest flying bird? A. Ostrich, B. Emu, C. Sarus crane, or D. Albatross? The correct answer is option C. Sarus crane. The next question is, the world's smallest bird, the bee hummingbird, is native to which place? A. Mexico, B. Brazil, C. Cuba, or D. Canada? The correct answer is option C. Cuba. The next question is, which bird can recognize themselves in a mirror? A. Sparrow, B. Magpie, C. Peacock, or D. Crow? The correct answer is option B. Magpie. The next question is, how many toes does a typical bird have on each foot? A. 2, B. 3, C. 4, or D. 5? The correct answer is option C. 4. The next question is, which bird is known for building intricate and decorative structures to attract mates? A. Sparrow, B. Peacock, C. Bowerbird, or D. Parrot? The correct answer is option C. Bowerbird. The next question is, the male of which bird species incubates the eggs and takes care of the chicks? A. Peacock, B. Penguin, C. Ostrich, or D. Emu? The correct answer is option D. Emu. The next question is, which bird is known to have the most feathers? A. Swans, B. Ostrich, C. Penguin, or D. Hawk? The correct answer is option A. Swans. The next question is, which bird has eyes that are larger than its brain? A. Ostrich, B. Sparrow, C. Hummingbird, or D. Falcon? The correct answer is option A. Ostrich. The next question is, which bird species includes the harpy, golden and bald types? A. Falcon, B. Eagle, C. Hawk, or D. Kite? The correct answer is option B. Eagle. The next question is, which bird can sleep while flying? A. Albatross, B. Sparrow, C. Owl, or D. Penguin? The correct answer is option A. Albatross. The next question is, which bird has a lifespan that can exceed 50 years in the wild? A. Pigeon, B. Parrot, C. Sparrow, or D. Falcon? The correct answer is option B. Parrot. The next question is, which bird creates the largest net which can be used by many generations? A. Crow, B. Eagle, C. Bald eagle, or D. Hammercock? The correct answer is option D. Hammercock. The next question is, which bird is known to dance to impress a potential mate? A. Blue-footed booby, B. Pigeon, C. Sparrow, or D. Albatross? The correct answer is option A. Blue-footed booby. The next question is, a group of crows is called a cluster, B. school, C. murder, or D. pack? The correct answer is option C. murder. The next question is, which bird can rotate its head 180 degrees? A. Peacock, B. Owl, C. Falcon, or D. Crow? The correct answer is option B. Owl. The next question is, which bird is known for its talking ability? A. Sparrow, B. Parrot, C. Crow, or D. Albatross? The correct answer is option B. Parrot. The next question is, which bird is famous for its bright multicolored feathers and a distinct two-toed foot? A. Finch, B. Parrot, C. Toucan, or D. Peacock? The correct answer is option C. Toucan. The next question is, which bird dives into the water to catch fish? A. Albatross, B. Kingfisher, C. Sparrow, or D. Falcon? The correct answer is option B. Kingfisher. The next question is, Which bird is associated with delivering babies in popular folklore? A. Dove, B. Stork, C. Falcon, or D. Crow? The correct answer is option B. Stork. The next question is, the roadrunner bird is native to which region? A. Asia, B. Africa, C. North America, or D. Australia? The correct answer is option C. North America. The next question is, what bird is known for its ability to hover in place often seen around flowers? A. Swallow, B. Falcon, C. Hummingbird, or D. Sparrow? The correct answer is option C. Hummingbird.
Like, share and subscribe our channel.